In this segment, you'll see what's included in the box and what tools you'll need to complete the assembly for your new 32-inch Poly Pro spiker spreader. Be aware that the spike points are sharp. Exercise caution when handling and working near spike discs. Before you begin assembly, be sure that all the parts and hardware are present. In the box you should have 1 chain cover, Part 1, 1 flow control lever, Part 2, 2 center braces, Part 3, 1 hopper, Part 4, 1 handle brace bracket, Part 5, 2 wheels, Part 6, 7 spike discs, Part 7, 2 spreader drive discs, Part 8, 1 lift handle, Part 9, 1 transport tube, Part 10, 2 hitch tubes, Part 11, 1 spiker shaft assembly, Part 12. In the hardware packages you'll find 2 1/2 13 by 4-inch hex bolts, Part 13, 2 5/16 18 by 3.5-inch hex bolts, Part 14, 1/4 20 by 2 3/4-inch hex bolts, Part 15, 2 5/16 18 by 2 1/4-inch hex bolts, Part 16, 2 5/16 18 by 2-inch hex bolts, Part 17, 1 5/16 18 by 1 3/4-inch carriage bolt, Part 18, 1/4 20 by 1 1/4-inch hex bolt, Part 19, 5 long spacers, Part 20, 1 hitch pin, Part 21, 13 flanged bearings, Part 22, 3 1/8-inch by 1 1/2-inch cotter pins, Part 23, 1 3/32 by 3/4-inch cotter pin, Part 24, 1 3/32 hair cotter pin, Part 25, 7 1/4 20 Nylock nuts, Part 26, 10 5/16 Nylock nuts, Part 27, 2 1/2-inch 13 Nylock Jam Nuts, Part 28, 2.5 13 Hex Jam Nuts, Part 29, 1/4 20 by 3/4-inch Hex Bolt, Part 30, 1/4-inch by 1/2-inch hex screw, Part 31, 1 5/16 18 by 3/4-inch hex bolt, Part 32, 9 5/8-inch flat washers, Part 33, 4 1/2-inch washers, Part 34, 6 3/8-inch washers, Part 35, 2 nylon washers, Part 36, 2 1/4-inch washers, Part 37, 1 compression spring, Part 38, 1 5/16 18 wing nut, Part 39, 1 flow plate spring, Part 40, 2 short spacer tubes, Part 41, 2 medium spacer tubes, Part 42, 1 control arm grip, Part 43, 1 flow control link, Part 44, 1 height adjust grip, Part 45, 2 hitch brackets, Part 46, 1 chain with connector, Part 47, 2 1-inch OD tube plugs, Part 48, 1 1/4-inch ferrule, Part 49, 1 1/4-inch spacer, Part 50. You'll also need 2 7/16-inch wrenches, 2 1/2-inch wrenches, 2 3/4-inch wrenches, a screwdriver, and pliers. Keep the assembly hardware in the bags until needed to keep them from getting mixed together.